Today I'm going to be reviewing the Blessny dual solar powered exhaust fan. I'm really very impressed with how well this fan works. The top helps me take that hot air out, and the one on the bottom helps me push fresh air in. And ever since I put these up, my chickens have not been struggling in the heat. They have helped so much to cool them down in this run, and I am so thankful I had the opportunity to try these out. Thank you so much to Blessny. I really appreciate you letting me try these fans out. They are absolutely amazing. I've been using them for a couple weeks now, and I just have no complaints about them. They do exactly what they're meant to do. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by.